back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I had shared a haul that I had received from ASC Craft Supplies, and this was one of the Heartfelt Creations set that I had purchased. And this is the large festive poinsettia. Guys, this is big. I didn't realize it was that big, but it is a big poinsettia. Of course, it also gives you the option to make a couple of smaller ones or a smaller one. So I opted for the large one and then a few of the leaves. So I stamped it out first, and I stamped it in a dark color. And then I cut it out, and then I used the shaping mold to shape the flowers. So let me show you what I used those large flowers on. I made a Christmas wreath. This is a wreath from the Dollar Tree, and it's the styrofoam green one. And all I did was wrap it in the just Chanel white color. So I wrapped it to where none of the green would show, and then I put a couple of the glittered tree branches on here. I used again some of the Dollar Tree berries, and these are the frosted ones, and I have the shiny one, but I did like the frosted ones because the wreath itself is white. And look at these huge poinsettias, guys. Oh my gosh, they're just huge. How big are they? I'm sure the package says something. They're they're 3.5 inches. Let me see what the package says. Yeah, no, it says 4 by 4. So, I mean, being on here, maybe I just didn't measure it right. No, yeah, 4 by 4. So I made a couple of the poinsettias, and I put stickles in the veins going through the poinsettia leaves. And I used some of the filler. I did not use the center that they have on here because I kind of didn't like the center. But I used some filler for the center of the poinsettias, and here are the leaves. I stamped them, cut them, and shaped them. And then again, I used stickles on the leaves. And I just think that turned out so pretty. I was going to put an ornament in the center, but I didn't feel like the ornament matched the wreath. So I just wanted to share my project with you guys. Look at these poinsettias, how pretty. I may make some in blue. I know blue is not a traditional poinsettia color, but we're crafters. We can do whatever we want. We can turn anything into any color we want. But I'm still not sure. So just giving you an idea there. You can make your poinsettia whatever color is going to match your project. And yeah, so that is my project share for the day. On the back for the hanger, I just put some more of the just Chanel on there. I hot glued it on there so I can hang it. Of course, this is not an outside wreath. This is an inside wreath because of the paper and the materials used on here. But I just thought that turned out so cute, guys. Y'all let me know what you think. Is that poinsettia too big? I don't know, but I really do like that size. There are some projects that I don't think I could use it on because it's so large, but I sure can use the smaller one. I'm going to have to make some smaller ones and see if that is a poinsettia that I want to use on future projects. But I have all their poinsettia die sets. So if this one doesn't work, the other ones will. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.